Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13x, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here, let me go back, we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration. Then let's scroll down again and find this ringtone and alert sounds and tap on ringtone. So here we've got some albums from which we can choose the ringtone from. Those are system ones, so they are pre-installed, or we can tap on this device, and if you've got something, for example, downloaded from the internet, then you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. I'll pick something from the nature options, and as I said, here we've got pre-installed ringtones. So to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it, and then your device will play it. Maybe a little bit, maybe not that loud. Yes, so just tap on the specific ringtone and decide whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I'd like this one to be set as my ringtone. So just make sure that it is marked and then go back. It is notified here, but the most important thing is that it is also notified here, which means that from now on this device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.